My name is Devin Metzger and I'm one of the owners of Tint World Menomonee Falls. We're in Wisconsin near Milwaukee, but in Menomonee Falls. So we're just outside of Milwaukee, right down the road. Pretty nice area, a lot of fancier cars along with the mix. Oh, I'm in college right now for automotive technology at MATC, 15 minutes away from here. My dad and I have always been into cars. Since I turned 16, we've been buying and selling various different cars, drive them, customize them, make them our own. So that's kind of why we opened the store, was to customize cars for other people. And we kind of stumbled upon it through like a financial consultant, and this is a very good fit for what we wanted, where it's an automotive customization center, and that's really what my family likes to do. Yeah, we went down to Boca for the Discovery Day. It was a great tour. We met some of the owners. They shared some of their quirks. I think it was just more of like, it felt like a family than a lot of the other franchises, where we met with the CEO and all the corporate people rather than them being in a tower somewhere. Charles is a great guy. He helps us with any problems we really have. After Discovery Day, we started searching for a building. Was our next step. That took a very long time, same with build out. But we found it about a year or so ago. It was a 5-bay shop, but we built the showroom into one of the bays, laid down some nice flooring in there, repainted everything. Just as much workability room as possible where we can max out our bays. We did need a bigger showroom, but we also wanted to have at least the 4 bays available to us to fit as many cars as possible. People coming in are generally very enthusiastic to see our showroom and see what's become. When people come from the area, they see the big transformation that we've done here. The other stores do help us out. If we have questions with something, we can ask our friends at Verona or Glenview. Both stores are very helpful to us, and we're helpful to them if they ask for it. If they need a guy or we need a guy, we'll lend them the people if it's an important job. For local marketing, we have sponsored baseball games, football games, basketball for local area high schools. We opened last September. During winter, we have a lot of remote start people because they want their car warm when they get in it. Some of the higher end cars like to do winter stuff because their cars are normally in storage. So they bring them to us, we'll do PPF, whatnot on them, and then they can pick them up and put them back in storage until summer. Our detailer, Amanda, she's great. She is very knowledgeable with ceramic coatings, paint correction. She can turn pretty much any car into a perfect looking car.
Hi guys, my name is Amanda and I am the professional ceramic coating specialist and paint correction specialist here at Tint World Menomonee Falls. I love detailing because I am a huge car enthusiast and it is my passion. I have loved cars ever since I was little, and I've always wanted to make them look pristine. So I decided to become a detailer, and I have been ever since for 9 years. And I do love the diversity that Tint World offers, from audio to the tinting, and it's just a really great place to work for, honestly.
We've had a number of very good customers where they are so in love with our work that they bring their other cars, they bring their family members, their friends, all to us to have the same work or similar done.
I love cars because I grew up with them. My grandparents had old school classics. To me, seeing a vehicle that comes in dirty and not so well with the paint, and I make it immaculate, that's very rewarding to me, and seeing my clients very happy makes me very happy.